Alright everybody, welcome back. So like I said yesterday, on Thursday we got the holes drilled for the sleeve, got all the stuff that we needed to put the sleeve in, and then on Friday we put the sleeve in, got that all secured, and then pulled in the ground wire from one side to the other, which was probably 100 to 150 feet, with the mule tape that we pulled in probably a Wednesday or before, coming out as this orange easy path down the cable tray through the whalebone, which I finally realized how bad those are if you're trying to pull wire through it. And then after we got it all done, we went ahead and crimped and dressed the grounding wire down to the ground bar, which still needs to get grounded permanently, but got that all nicely tied in, and then strapped on the other side as well up the wall and ready to go for the transformer, which I did not get any content of, which I'll try to get tomorrow. And then after that, went ahead and worked on a new kind of project, which is going to be, there's going to be a giant duct going through here, so I have to remove these pipes with the tape on it, and the flags or whatever you want to call it. So this top pipe, this middle pipe 90 into the back of this emergency box, and this pipe on the bottom. So as you can see here, one of them is the emergency, and these are lighting circuits for the hallway lights in some of the operating rooms. So one of the pipes, the middle pipe, goes to the fire alarm. Like I said, the top pipe is a lighting circuit emergency. The bottom is a normal lighting circuit, and you can see the whips here feeding into the lights. And then did some research, like I said, going down the hallway, because these pipes are going to have to get removed and refed. We're going to have to refeed these 3 boxes. So we're still trying to figure out what that's going to look like, coming up with a game plan. But going down the hallway a little bit to the left using the containment cart, because it's the operating room, it has to be all dust contained and all that good stuff. So I went ahead down to the left a little bit and researched right here and found another set of boxes for the emergency and the normal, and there is a coupling right in the middle, so we can either eventually when we do the shutdown, we'll have to either repipe this whole thing between box to box, or break the coupling, set a new box, and then switch the wires over as fast as possible. And then another set of 2 whips coming out from the lighting boxes to dual feed these lights right here in the hallway, as you can see. And then coming out of the box on the right side where I started, that 90 goes down to this fire alarm. I'm assuming 90's down and then 90 into the left. But that's what we came up with on Friday, and some more research and planning tomorrow, and then we'll see where we're going from there. I'm probably just going to be repiping and getting ready for the shutdowns.